Welcome to qnawire.
Here we have two objects coming from perpendicular directions, colliding with each other after a certain time. Now we know our masses and we know our speeds. What we want to do is find the final velocity of the overall object. Now this is an inelastic collision. So what we can say in each case is m1 v1 plus m2 v2 is equal to m1 plus m2 multiplied by vf, our unknown velocity. Now we are given this in two different directions, so let's take each of those into account separately. First off, we'll look at the x direction. In the x direction, only m1 has a velocity. So m1 v1 is equal to the x component of m1 plus m2 multiplied by vf in the x direction. Now we know our numbers, so let's put them in. The mass of number 1 is 3 and the velocity is 5, and that's equal to 3 plus 2, not 5, 3 plus 2 multiplied by vf in the x direction. So 3 times 5 is 15, 3 plus 2 is 5. Should be pretty straightforward. 15 over 5, which is equal to 3 I hat meters per second. I hat because we are in the x direction. Now, let's look at the y direction. We have something very similar here where mass 1 has no velocity initially in the y direction. So m2 v2 is equal to m1 plus m2 multiplied by vf in the y direction. Here we have 2 times negative 3 equal to 3 plus 2 vfy. So, rearranging again in a very similar way, vfy is equal to negative 6 over 5, which is equal to negative 1.2 j hat, because it's in the y direction, meters per second. So, to write out our final answer, we would say that vf is equal to 3.00 I hat minus 1.20 j hat meters per second.